Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you the block diagram of a GPU. I will discuss the block diagram of this GPU, which is GP107. It is a GTX 1050 Ti from MSI. Now we will go to page number 2, which is the block diagram. As you can see, so this is the block diagram of a GPU. As you see in here, there are plenty of boxes and some labels in it. This one with labeled GP107 is the main V-core chip or the main GPU chip, which is located at the middle of the motherboard of the GPU. It is a big chip, and these are the memory chips, which is located around the GPU chip or the V-core. It has a two channel A and channel B with high and low. These are the display ports. It is located at the I/O shield of the GPU. As you can see, the block diagram is telling that it is connected to the main GPU core. This is the HDMI and the DVI. It is also connected to the GPU core. Now this is the EXT612V, which stands for the 6-pin power supply of the GPU. It supplies these blocks, which is the 5 volts LDO and the fan and the GPU memories. It supplies the memory chips, and it also supplies the pastry of the GPU core. Next, this is the PEX 12V finger. This is the PCI Express power supply. It supplies the phase 1 and phase 2 of the GPU core. And lastly, the PEX 3V3 finger. It supplies the PEX VDD and the I/O VDD. So this is the block diagram of the MSI GTX 1050 Ti graphics card. That's it for now. If you like my videos, please do not forget to subscribe and like. Thank you very much, everyone.